Hi, I'm Iggy, and in this video, we're going to be going over movement mapping on the Cooper app for the Lincoln Electric's collaborative robots. So movement mapping allows the machine to travel over clamps or around objects that would be in the way without actually programming each movement. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say we've got a robot over here. The arm, we're going to just press start here to start the program. We will then come over to the arm itself, press the little blue button. We're going to be in free move mode, so now we can just move the robot to the location. And again, we are not actually mapping any of these free moves. So I'm just going to go to my weld start point. I'm then going to press the green button on the arm once, go to the end of my weld, press the green button, press and hold the green button this time. Ooh. Now again, I don't have to map any of these movements to go to the other side, so I'm just going to move the arm, make sure it doesn't hit anything. Again, go to the beginning of my weld, press the green button, go to the end of my weld, hold the green button down, and then again, I don't have to map any individual points. I just go to where I want the arm to finish the program at, and then from there, all I have to do is press the done button, and you can see now that the arm knows how to move over any obstacles because we automatically trained that with the movement mapping. So we don't have to individually each point move over to avoid any obstacles. From here, all we got to do is press play. As you can see, the Cooper app follows all of the moves that you make with the arm automatically and just labels them as moves. All other systems, you would have to actually make each move and manually map them. This allows for quicker and easier programming. All other systems require you to map each point when going around obstacles like clamps or to the other side of a part. This makes the Cooper app on Lincoln Electric's Cobots easier to use and faster to program.